Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Tonight I'm going to be focusing on getting the interior of the rear section finished up. Alright guys, so this is what I went with for the carpet. It's actually called Traffic Master. It's just a utility type rug. The reason why I went with this is because it's inexpensive, and I just like the design of it. It had these grooves in it. It was black with some white in it, so it kind of gave a little texture to it. It also came with this rubber backing, which is really nice because that'll hold the glue and allow it to stick to the carpet padding. So let's go ahead and get this laid out, cut to size, and fit it in the back seat of the area. Alright guys, so first thing I'm going to do is make a template of that back section, and then I'll lay it out on the carpet. I'm going to actually split this down with a seam right down the center. So I'll have a seam right down the center of this. It's going to be running probably one piece for that back section, and this will be one piece, a little seam here, and then this will be another piece. Because this is a door, it'll be its own piece overlapping onto this top section. I'm going to attempt to get all the grooves lined up the best I can. So we'll see what we can come out with. Alright guys, so I got a template of half of the rear. I'm going to take that and put it to the carpet and cut it. I'm going to leave it long so I can always trim it back up to get all of the fine details trimmed. So as you can see, I got to make a nice arch there, curve around there, and all that good stuff over there. So I'm going to use this as a template, and like I said, I'll leave it long, full 4 feet. And then I'll trim this off when I get down to it. Hopefully, both sides will be identical if I got that center mark right in the center, which I think I did. So let's go ahead and throw it on the carpet, cut it out, and see if I can use that as a template for the other side. carpet installed on a Night Owl. Now what's left in the rear is to put put the windows in and electrical. So we're just gonna go ahead and dive in on that on the next project. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Remember guys, it's built, not bought. Alright guys, see you on the next one.